All right. This is an overnight low. This is 70% pullback from here to here. This is yesterday's low, and this is yesterday's close. So since it closed, it's all short inventory. So I believe that we were getting long in inventory before today. I mean, as of yesterday. And now we're short overnight inventory. Are we going to correct that, or is that what this is? Before we try to correct some of this over inventory, I don't know. As of right now, we're going to gap open. This is the close. I'm sorry, this is the low from yesterday. The low is at 60.40. We are now open. Went to the visual reference of the low and bounced off of that. So we're kind of coiling up here, really just in a trading range. Wow. This was the open. Attempted twice to go into yesterday's range. but you can see it has a lot of conviction, ladies and gentlemen. Peaked inside yesterday's trading range, and now it's flirting with the open. Boy, do I have a lot of confidence in any trade I put in here. Do I have to trade? No, I don't have to trade. And this is a shook up, jumbled up mess. Isn't that a line to a song? To be honest, I'd rather take a long inside yesterday's range. Maybe a breakout of this. This blue line, I believe, was a previous month high. I had marked on another chart. Let's see, that gave them support. It got me. That's why I should have waited for the breakout. It doesn't know what it wants to do. How am I going to know what it wants to do? See those two notches there? It may not want to actually break out until it fills all this in. I don't know. I want to go north. bet you didn't know that traders like the color. Yeah, they like the color in these missing bars here. Did you see that? It's gonna get me again. $65. Oh, one ticket. Oh, missed me by one ticket. I'm gonna flatten out here. I had my I have my exit order here at 65. It'll come up and get me now that I'm out. But really? I have a level up here. What is it? It would help if I was watching my chart. Pull back low. It was at 66. Pull back low from yesterday was at 66. You can see 70 has 274 contracts waiting to sell. We have the moving average, we have 66, we have this at 70. I probably should have been ready for a short up there. Have a little range here. Wouldn't mind shorting the top of this range. Gives me a chance. Today, 10 a.m. factory orders. Big day tomorrow, so might just experience some chop here. So far, we haven't gone anywhere in a long time. Big down, big up, big down, big up. As Al Brooks would say, big confusion. Put my stop just beyond this. Just want a quickie. All right, the next reference I have is a 61.05. And there's a pivot point, I think, at 61.90, 60.90. I was hoping for just one more rotation. Wishing and hoping and dreaming. I was thinking about getting it at the edge, going along at the edge of that. I wouldn't have been filled anyway. My next reference, 61.05. And that was the low of the last 30-minute bar from yesterday, and also I believe the POC from yesterday. All right, so what are we doing here? Had a lot of volume coming out right here. You could imagine a shape like this How much do we need to correct the overnight inventory? Let's ask the wise old owl. Why would I put it on the lower one instead of the upper one? When I put it down here, it can break out sooner. I put this flatter one on there and it takes more work to break out. You believe that? And I have some property. Where does Peter live? Thailand. So really, we're still in the trading range. Since the open, we are in a tight channel, tight channel up. I don't know what the rejection was up here, if that was news, 745. It's pretty good volume. This is the first semblance of a pullback. ES is going to open in, what, 3 minutes? You saw what happened to me when I tried to trade counter trend. An area I wouldn't mind shorting is this area up here. See if I have any other levels. The ES is now open. Hoping for a little range extension here. What was that? I don't know why I didn't get stopped out on that. ES is going kind of crazy. So I wouldn't mind a visit to the close. The point of control is at, I believe, 208 or 208 quarter. So I will. Ah, that was on sim. Bummer. Gotta go. Try to do better tomorrow.